Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on May 28, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So we're doing an afternoon update. We're going to go over some setups that we gave out to members, some options and OTCs. We're going to start off with the OTC market. This is ticker symbol AURI. Okay, AURI was a stock that was just pretty much beaten down. We were talking about this rounded bottom, okay, this rounded bottom over the weekend. We actually gave this stock in our chat room a couple of days back, a couple of weeks back. We're talking about the probability trades. For those traders that don't understand what a probability trade, it's usually a stock when it's trading from 0009 to 11. Okay, this ensures low risk, okay, higher reward probability trade. The setup was pretty much given to traders, and we noticed a huge bid at the 11, okay, over 10 million. Okay, this was actually posted on the OTC Weekly watch list for Sunday. Okay, we noticed that there was a huge bid at 11. It gave us and it triggered buy zone from 10 to 11. So that was our setup, AURI 10 to 13 probability levels. Okay, and then what I did was I actually sent this out to free members. Okay, this was on May 26, 2015, this triggers entry at 0.001, okay, and the stock actually triggered, okay, and our stop close was a close below 9 two times. Okay, so now if you look at the trade, it actually closed at 0008 yesterday, but today in the morning, I actually sent out another update, okay, we posted news, and let me just read out the news, okay, so they had a $1 billion deal with China sector. Okay, AURI reports continued strong sales in its consumer products division operated under the wholly owned subsidiary Phoenix Fulfillment Group LLC. The talent and experience of the new design office in El Segundo has led to opening of several new national accounts. With the growth of the company and growing commitments in China, Mr. Weiner, CEO and chairman, has made a 3-year commitment to relocate to California, moving to Rolling Hills Estates on the Palos Verdes Peninsula just south of Los Angeles. This affords access to the design team in El Segundo and closer proximity to our China joint venture opportunity in Pingo. The Pingo Home Decor Stores Design and Service Company based in Shundi, China has continued to expand, opening 30 new stores per month during the first quarter of 2015. So they're opening 30 new stores per month. So this is the deal that they're doing with these so not only that, but they also locked shares, okay? So the shares locked up and new business developments. That was the news today. So that opened, and I sent traders, I told them to look for that 0008 to 11 on that scalp. So we entered, okay, 10, 11. It actually opened at 14, and then the stock rallied. And right now, the stock is trading, okay, currently, if you look over here, the stock is currently trading at 0.0059 with a high of 0.0067. So well above 500% on the day. So close to 600, over 600% on the move. So let's just go over the chart of what's happening now. So we see that high at 0.006. So what I'm looking at now is for a continuation, possibly another bullish flag here set up for a continuation. Our next pivot break is going to be that 0.007 break. So what I would be looking at here is likely, okay, is this 0.003 level to 0.0025 for a re-entry if it gets back down there. So you may start seeing a little bit of a bullish flag here set up for a continuation. Okay, so what we want to see is some consolidation here in the following days. Okay, remember, trades don't just go directly up. When you start seeing these stocks move in a linear motion, okay, that's called euphoria. What you want to see is some kind of base over here as traders start looking to take profits. But overall, I still feel that we could test this 0.01 break. Okay, it's not too far from this level here. If you break above this 0.009 level, okay, you see much higher potential here. Okay, this is the path to least resistance. Okay, so I want traders to just make sure that when they trade this stock, they understand that nothing goes up in a linear motion. Okay, so that's just a great trade on AURI, and I do feel that we may test that 0.01 moving ahead into the next several days. Okay, now we're going over QEDN. This was a stock that I've mentioned in the past. Okay, this actually triggered an entry yesterday at 0006 for RSP premium members. All right, so now what we're looking at is a high, okay, of 17, and now what we're seeing is actually a break of this downward trend. Just a beautiful bullish reversal yesterday at a low of 0006, and we closed at 10, and now we have a continuation and a potential close above this 12 pivot. Okay, so 2 closes above that 0.0012. Now you have that support at 0.0012. So if traders are in, now they can start moving their stop close below 12 or 13 on 2 consecutive closes. But I think that 0.0012 is a great entry here on the QEDN. Currently, the QEDN is at 18, and a big support at that 0.001416 level. So we have great potential here on the QEDN. Now, let's take a look at this on the longer term, okay? We're looking at the longer term weekly chart. If you see over here, I kind of penciled this in, okay? I drew this line. This is what I called the scene of the crime. If you notice here, every time it hits this 13 level, you get a huge move here, okay? So what we're looking for is another potential move here on the QEDN, okay? If you notice here, we saw a big move here from 0.0013 to 0.002 range. So you have a lot of upside here. This is a big reversal here for the QEDN. So I expect an even bigger move now. You got a little bit of a resistance here at the 27.35 range. Then you got a potential move to this 0.005 level. So I would not be surprised this stock hitting this 0.0075 or this 0.005 level, okay? At the same time, you do have this stock. Now it's OTC current. It had a stop sign. They removed it. You also have pending updates on some mining acquisitions. Okay, so that should be coming soon as well. So what we're looking here is this bottom accumulation here. Just a beautiful move on the QEDN. Okay, now I'm going to move on to another stock that I think has great potential. I'm looking at it now. As many know, okay, the 000s, the lottos have been the latest trend. We saw stocks like TALK, okay, another one, TBEV, rally significantly. And these are bloated stocks, okay, with huge share structures. Now, the EVRN is a stock that's trading at 0002 by 3. And if you notice here, okay, you're kind of setting up what I call a little bit of a bullish flag. It's a mini bullish flag, but it's actually setting up a break above this 4 level, and you could test this 8 to 12 level. And if you look at the level 2 now, okay, if you look at the level 2 now on the EVRN, okay, it's pretty small right now. Look at the EVRN. 4s are up, okay, and you have 0003s bids growing. Okay, you have a lot of upside. If you look over here on the level 2, there's not many shares here on the level 2 compared to those TBEVs, TBEV, and all those other stocks. Okay, so I want traders to keep an eye on this EVRN, because they do have a new website, and they actually have products being sold on Amazon, and you can buy it, purchase it through PayPal. Okay, so I want traders to keep that EVRN on watch. Now moving on to the option setups, Triple D, 3D systems, ticker symbol DDDD. If you notice here, it's traders that were accumulating here on the calls. Just a beautiful entry here. We're going long. We bought the June 19 calls. Now we're looking for this 27, 25 level. And I think we're going to have a nice little squeeze on the 3D systems. Okay, so just a beautiful move here on Triple D. Another one is Twtr. Okay, we gave that actually triggered here at 36 range. And now we're seeing this wedge pattern break. Just a beautiful bottom here, reversal on the Twtr. As traders were saying, oh, this Twtr is going down, it's going bankrupt or whatever. Twtr makes no money. You know, we trade the name, okay, and we trade the setup. Just look at this this reversal here. Okay, reversal implications. I think that we're going to see a test of this 40 level. Okay, these contracts are going to be worth quite significantly if it hits that 40 level. Okay, so that's just about it. If you want to know the setups, just join radiosilentplay.com. Okay, if you want to be part of the team, you know, download the mobile app. That's how you get the setups. You know, make sure that you have, you know, all the setups via mobile app, via SMS, so you can get these stocks as soon as they trigger. Okay. If you have any questions, just send me an email at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. Okay, take care, everyone.